Hello, Melio. We're out on another trail. We're maybe like a mile in, but that's okay. He's doing super good over here. He's never in front of me, always by my side or behind. Ooh, steep. We are doing the Kentuck Knob Trail. Ooh, I didn't wear my hiking boots today. I've been dreading them because my feet are so sore. Today we are doing the Kentuck Knob Trail, I believe is the technical term for it. Let me get adjusted here. But so far it's pretty good. Mostly flat. There's a guy who walked by earlier. I actually saw him the last time I was here filming the video. And he just went by again. He carries a camera with him on like one of those gorilla grip things. But it's super pretty. The leaves are all changing and falling. Haven't walked into 5 million spider webs. We're going down a steep hill, which is great because I'll have to climb that on the way back. Good job, Leo. Good job. Good boy. So I'll give you a view. Let me turn this around. Well, I think we're going to turn around here. I'm at a trail combination. This one's getting tired. But it's almost 10:30 and we got a late start today, so I don't want to take up too much of the day because I want to have dinner ready for whenever my boyfriend gets back, and I want to be able to relax a little bit and stop and see my grandparents. So I think maybe, yeah, I'll just turn around and carry on. Then he's not pushed too far because he's still only 3 months old. So by the time we get back, it'll be about 3 miles total, which is good enough for me. This one's doing super, super good. I'm really impressed with him. So yes, time to go up all the hills. trail started out really great. It went really great until we got back to the car. I forgot water, so I put Leo in my car, obviously with the windows cracked in the shade, and I went down to Falls Market, which is like a little convenience store at the park, and got a bottle of water and one of my favorite lemonades and a milk bone for him. He always gets a milk bone when we go there. It's the only time he ever gets a milk bone. And then I got back to the car, and he was scratching at his ears on the trail. Didn't think much of it. And then we got back to the car, and he's in the back now. He's starting to like cry. And I was getting set up to take a picture of him with the milk bone, and he put his paw out to me, and there's a black deer tick on his paw. I was like, great. He's a couple days behind on his flea and tick medicine. And he went and laid down, and then all I see are a bunch of black spots all over his belly. What are they? They're deer ticks. I had one crawling up my leggings, which I don't know if they can bite through this or not. I honestly don't know. I would imagine they can. I know hand sanitizer doesn't kill them because I tried to drown the one that was on him in it. That didn't work. And then on the way home, probably like 30 minutes from the state park, I saw one crawling up my phone. So I pulled over on the side of the road and just sprayed a bunch of bug spray all over me, and some of it on him, and he can't stand being sprayed with it, which shouldn't be spraying it on a dog, but it's the only thing that I can think of at the moment that it's somewhat okay. When I had Remy, I would spray it on her vest on top of the Nexgard. So now I'm currently on the way to the vet to get his second dose of Nexgard because he was due for it anyway, and I planned on picking it up today anyway. It's just I wasn't expecting to have a tick vest in the process. So now we'll see how this goes, because now my car is going to have ticks in it too. This is great. This is really great. Okay, you're currently set up in the bathtub, which is not where you're going to stay, but I had to make a Walmart run for little Leo. We got Dawn, the whole grail of all things fleas and ticks. Because he itches a lot, we got the anti-itch soothing soap. This, which I thought would be great because it's basically like mosquito repellent, but for dogs that you can spray on them, from my understanding. However, I was so desperate at making him feel better, I didn't read it first, and you're not supposed to treat dogs under 6 months with it, which is fine. But at least we're getting a bath now. We got a comb and then ear wipes. So let's get this show on the road. He hates getting a shower or a bath of any sort. So let's see. Can I set you somewhere where you can maybe watch? Maybe. I can find something that's gonna work. It's actually cold. No, because I don't have enough. It ain't gonna work. I don't have enough room on my phone to make a whole video. So we'll just check back in with you. He's snoozing. He's miserable. Hey, so I realized I never updated you yesterday after giving Leo a bath. So basically, he got his bath. He seemed a lot better throughout the evening. I know at least one came off, and I know I've seen a couple dead, like in my car and things like that. So I think he's fine. I'm gonna give him another bath at some point today and keep up with it for the next couple days just to see. But he's got his medicine now. So I think he's going to be fine. He's still itching, but not quite nearly as much. So that's all good. But yeah, things are going great now. We're just one big happy little family. We were working on training this morning, and now I'm just sitting here eating soup while he's napping. So once I'm done, he's going to get his food. And then I don't know what's going to happen for the rest of the day. I don't know if I'm going to add that into this. I think I might put it in a separate video, because I work all week and I work weird hours. So we'll see how it goes.